Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In today's video we're going to unbox and test out the Super Mario block lamp. The sticker on the top right says $49.99 or $44.99 if you are an EB Platinum member, and that is EBGames in Canada. Flipping it over, we can see that it is a ThinkGeek product and that it's officially licensed by Nintendo. Something to take note of is the recommended bulb is 40 watts or lower. I'm going to be using an LED bulb that registers around 8 watts, so I'm not too concerned about that. The box itself opens pretty easily. It's just a simple tab and then the top opens right up. However, the lampshade is in there pretty tightly, so I'm just trying to take it out carefully without breaking anything. Just something interesting to note is that everything comes out in one piece, so everything is joined together. To remove the rest of this packaging, it looks like I'm going to have to take off the lampshade completely and put it aside. The rest of the packaging for the lamp stand itself comes off pretty easily. There's not much to it. Looking at the lamp stand itself, there is a little Mario dangling from the pull chain to power on and off the lamp, and the base is pretty cool. Look at the little details here. I really like that. Now, taking the plastic off the lampshade itself is a bit of a pain. It's one piece of plastic wrapped continuously around the entire lampshade, and it's wrapped very tightly. Here's everything all set up, and if you're wondering, it's roughly 8 inches wide. If you're curious, this is the light that it will be replacing in my game room. And now to test it out, so I'm going to turn the ceiling light off and you can see this light in action. Overall, not a bad little light. It'll be a good addition in my games room. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, or if you've seen something else that is cool, let me know. Anyways, if you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. Thank you everyone. Take care.